In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Copilot account. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot in your browser or app, depending on how you normally access it. Before you try to remove the account, make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to delete. This is important because if you're signed into the wrong profile, you may end up changing settings for a different account instead. So take a quick moment to confirm that you're logged in properly before moving forward. Once you're inside Microsoft Copilot, look down to the lower left corner of the screen and find your profile icon. This is where account-related options are usually stored. Click on that profile icon and then select Settings. A settings pop-up window should appear on your screen. Inside that pop-up, look to the left side panel and click on Account. This section contains the main account management options for your Copilot profile. After opening the Account section, find the option labeled Delete Account and click it. When you do that, the settings window will reload or update to show the final account deletion screen. At this stage, Microsoft Copilot may give you the option to share feedback before deleting your account. This part is optional, but if you want, you can briefly explain why you're leaving. Providing feedback can help improve the service, but if your goal is simply to remove the account as quickly as possible, you can move straight ahead. After that, click Delete Copilot to confirm the action. This is the final step that submits your account deletion request. Make sure you're ready before clicking, since account deletion is typically meant to be permanent and may remove your access, preferences, or associated Copilot data. Once you've clicked the confirmation button, the process is complete. Your Microsoft Copilot account has been deleted. As a final tip, if you don't immediately see the changes reflected, give it a little time and refresh the page or sign out and back in if needed. Also, if you use Copilot across multiple devices, it can be helpful to check that the account is no longer active everywhere you were signed in, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to delete a Microsoft Copilot account.